Well, good, bright, sunshiny morning, everybody. So they did come and clean off the parking lot. There's my spot right there. So I'm gonna walk over to the other parking lot where we were told to park and see if they've cleaned it off so I can get my car out. Yep, they have. Hey, Chili. Hey, girl. What you think about all this snow? Okay, I'll move so you can control her. I have to get out of Chili's way. That's my neighbor's new puppy. She's getting so big. She's so rambunctious. She broke her leg after he'd only had her about 2 weeks. Of course, I didn't know if it was a girl or a boy because... Hi, how are you? How are you? There's somebody I might could hire to shovel my car out. I just don't know. Anyway, he'd only had the dog a couple of weeks. I didn't know if it was a girl or a boy, but the cast on its leg was pink, so I surmised that Chili is a girl. Anyway, the snow is beautiful. It hasn't even gotten black from the traffic, that all the cars and everything, once they start going up and down the road, the snow will be black. You know, growing up in the South, I really never saw much snow. I think it snowed 2 times in Lumberton that I can remember. And I think it snowed once or twice when we lived in Covington. And it did snow one time when we lived in Gulfport, and that happened to be on February the 10th, 1973, when I was in labor with Jason. I have a picture of me walking, standing outside in the snow. They kept saying, walk, walk. It'll make your labor go faster. So I did that. Look at all that snow. It's going to be a long time before it melts. I had some Totes snow boots. I had for years, but they were so uncomfortable. I was just in pain and misery when I wore them. It just got to the point I just couldn't even wear them. So I ended up donating them to Goodwill. And I haven't bought any more yet, so I just have on sneakers today. And I really think that's all I need. Oh, there's no snow on my car, y'all. I just hope the parking lot has been cleared off. Anyway, I was saying, so when we moved to Belleville, Illinois, I was shocked at there's the snow plows. See, they carry salt in the back and then the plow in the front. And then they drop the salt on the road after they plow it. It's really neat. It's really not difficult to get around up here because of the Department of Transportation. They keep the roads clean. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have trouble getting my car out. Oh well, I'll see what I can do. I don't know. Maybe I can get it out. Let me see. Anyway, when we moved to Belleville, Illinois, I was shocked at all the snow on the side of the road that was black. I'd never seen that before. Because really, when it snows in the South, it melts so quickly that the traffic never even has a chance to get the snow black. I think I just saw that man pee. I don't know if it was on the camera or not, but I'm pretty sure I saw him unzip his pants and pee. So don't eat yellow snow, y'all. Okay, let me see if I can get my car out and I'll be back. Okay, so I didn't do a lot of shoveling. I just kind of made way here for me to get the wheel through, hopefully. Hopefully I can get it through. Oh. Let me see. I'll put y'all over here. Okay. Okay, here goes. Y'all wish me luck. Look at that. Easy peasy. Okay. That's it. Now my parking spot in front of my apartment is cleaned off and I can just go park. This is great, y'all. Oh, I'm so glad to have this car out. Even though I don't need it today, it's just good to know that I have it there in case I do need it. So let me go inside now and see if I can drum up something to cook for dinner and maybe even film it. Thank y'all for watching me. I appreciate it so much. And for all of my new commenters here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will be loved and accepted here. And y'all just keep on coming back. Bye, guys.